heavily pregnant woman, your brother just taking life. My people, wetin I get to talk? Now this one break come from una. No, not tire for una sister, una daughter. Now wetin I dey see for the social media, for the world that they bring come outside. Okay, no, not also this new. I just want to let you know. Okay. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. Yes, I remain your sister, your girl, your friend. Okay, please subscribe to this channel if you never subscribe. All my returning, God will bless you guys. Oh, I really do appreciate. Yes, I did have a little big problem with my eyes. I just finish. I don't finish. Try to decorate my children Christmas tree. Yes, I said let me film my tomorrow video. Maybe I feel publish now, or maybe I publish tomorrow. Depend how I take editor. Let's go straight to this topic. This brother and sister for California. This will not be husband by am. This one not be now husband, now buy wife because of cheat or because of lie. Your brother, now buy him. My people. Now her own brother, his sister don't do a baby shower after 3 days, I be 2 days. Now his brother take buy him. How the content don't say now his brother buy him. His brother buy him finish, he burn him. I will put all the news. You want to read them. His brother, he kill his sister finish. He stab his sister finish. Your sister when he don't they have. I don't believe say that kind man. He head correct. Yes, I know. But in America, I'll come from there. I'll come also. I will talk that one. After I don't buy this sister finish, he use and this thing. Oh, I know all my lights. He use knife. Take stab his sister. After I don't buy his sister finish. After I don't stab his sister finish, he carry his sister. He go burn her. As he burn and finish, start to throw away the hatchets. Now neighbor, neighbor can't say, no, I don't need it. I don't need it, I'm coming. Now neighbor, where they throw away the hatchets put? Now they inform police. They don't understand this guy. What did they throw away for this area? Now they start investigate. Now they say, this man, he don't buy his sister. Wait, no, I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry for the background. My children, I be mommy of 2, mother of 2. Now they inform police. First of all, what did they talk? They said this girl, they first get quarrel and this brother before, according to the news. Say for me, I don't really see what really triggered this guy anger. I don't really see him for the news. But first of all, they said this guy, the police, they don't fair come between he and his sister for house. Say his sister, they fear. Say he go take his sister, they all they fear him. Then after his sister, baby shower, 3 days. It have a be 2 days. It have a night. This guy by the girl. My own. What I they want try talk. May her so rest in peace. Yes, she don't die. They say as she born, as the guy born her, the baby for inside womb, he not survive her, I don't even bring the baby name. Wait till the one call the baby, but the baby not survive her. The baby still die. That is the come mark 2 mother for the guy. Say take 2 so. I beg, she don't already die. Me has so rest in peace. I they give this advice to me and you when we did the words now. If you smell anything like that, my brother, my sister, carry your 2 shoe, put them for your hair, run. For America, when it still be Western world, when it big, as for all those social work, not they work for there. When you get belly, the man when you give him belly, where the man dey? Why you not go stay with the man? Or no be man give am belle. Or for America, I still believe as France be, as so America will be. I don't know. You can drop your comment section. I want to know how America how they happen. Because once pikin reach 18 years for France, they go look for the apartment or maybe 18 or 22. Except the pikin don't want to leave the parents' house. The pikin want to stay with the parents. Okay, when this girl can't take get belle, say the pikin person if stay with his mama, yes. If he stay with the parents, yes. But when you come there with master for house, not even your husband, your own brother. You know, tell me, say, you know, say this your brother head, don't they guess squoy? Your brother don't they throw away your brother because before brother carry knife, can't be naive at the daytime because things they happen for the world. He can't jealous, say sister can't go get belle, no be in. I don't really understand. Or me just assume my own. Or maybe I don't really know my people. I just they try to one crack my head. Waiting go trigger this. For me, I look the guy like say, hey, not normal. Yes, I can say that his sister when he die, he know his brother. That is, he know his brother. It can be temper. Some temper can it pass madness. Some temper. When your temper go come, you when you they shower you go vanish. Some temper like that. Some temper they. When some just they squoy. When they will take pipe, they no. I know. I At least, his brother supposed to, his sister supposed to know to move. To go look for your apartment. You dey heavily pregnant. You dey fear. Police don't come the house. You dey fear your brother. No be the man when even give you belle. Your own blood brother. When you gather grow together, when you know his character. When you know how he take their temper. When you know everything about. You know cower. You stay. Ikpai the lady, ikpai the pikin die. Yet we when we remain, please, if you send something like this, my brother, my sister, carry your 2 shoes, put for your head, run for your dear life. I can say it again, and I can say it again. Run for your dear life. Because who don't die, don't die. May have so rest in peace. This guy, now, in the morning, they'll give him coffee. In the afternoon, they'll give him coffee. In the night, they'll give him coffee. If they ever take this guy alive, this woman will come back? No. Prevention is better than cure. This woman no come life. Nobody know what will happen. Maybe if they date his sister can't decide to say no, he can't get belly for another man. Maybe that one can't trigger in anger. Yes. I can say it and I can say it. No be lie. There is other news I will still try publish out now. A girl cry out saying, my father, him born for a father. Things is happening. Things they this world. Things they happen for this world. Things they happen. Things they happen. Before brother will come take sister alive. Wait till that your sister will come do it now. I know say brother and sister they quarrel. If they crazy, if they do it, they will just insult themselves. That's all. Nothing more. Why taking your sister's life? Why taking your own blood sister life? Heavily pregnant. Few days to give birth. I be a week to give birth. You just buy and come up for this world. I know say you didn't say quickly now. You know if you see this my video, but I just talk so that my people still know say see what happen for America, California. May we be there very careful. People surround us, friend, brother, sister, mom, everybody at all. Be very careful. Once you sense something danger, kawa. Know what it be kawa? Pick your race. Once not be person still take mama life for UK that day. Bro, the pikin take your mama life. It's still there this my platform. You can go and watch it. For UK, a son take your mama life. More than when we they love. When you don't get money to over give and go they pay you. Go be like say, in fact, now you go by yourself, your hand by. Brother and sister, when they sweet they are say, you see some brother and sister, you go they sweet you. Now you go use your hand, take by your sister and the pikin. My people, now wait till I believe some now don't they read that because I they put all the news. Me una read that. Now wait till I get to talk with that. Be very careful when you send danger kawa. Because this girl when he die now, I know if he say he not sends danger for his brother. I don't send this danger, but she was just there. He's my brother. He can't kill me. He can't do me anything with English. You know, hey, now, you know. I pity for her. May her so rest in peace. Yes, may her so continue to rest in peace. If you're out there, please know what to do. Okay? If it can be your husband, God forbid, we never be our husband. It can be your brother. It can never be our brother. It can be anybody. Just be very careful. Know where the environment you find yourself. Once you find danger, run. Not say that my brother. Not say he can't do anything. When that demon enter, in fact, may God have mercy on us. May I so rest in peace. Now this one I get to talk. If today I first time coming across Naija Daughter TV, what are you waiting for? Please hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to me. Okay? This channel we talk about news. Yes, this when we say this when we say in no rhyme, we'll still talk with. Okay? I can be wrong, you can correct me, but I want to know how America houses work. Please, if you live in America, you know, a person, American citizen, government not give her house. No, now let me know in the comment section. I want to know because France, if you be citizen, maybe your parents not capable to, you know, government can assist you by giving you house when something like this come up. America is not like that. When this girl in danger, why government not assist her? Because I hear it did the news say police don't come to the house. The girl don't they come to fear this brother. Why social not enter at that time to come out the girl for the house with the baby because of the baby's safety? And this one I get to talk, okay? See you in my next video.
Since power over me is broken.